I'm going to cover the pros and cons that come with dropshipping and Amazon FBA. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so I could help others out. I also like to share videos related to the stock market, investing, making money online. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. I know I say it in every video, but it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. And just by liking and commenting on my videos, I do a giveaway at the end of every month. So keep an eye out for that. I give away my Amazon FBA course or a $100 prize, and I announce it at the end of every month in my videos. But let's get into the actual content of this video. So in this video, I'm going to cover the pros and cons that come with dropshipping and Amazon FBA. I get a lot of people asking me, should I do dropshipping first? Is it easier to dropship than do Amazon? So I'm going to cover both of them and hopefully answer all of your questions so you could decide which business model you want to go with. So if you don't know my background, a couple years back, I started with retail arbitrage. I went store to store. I was scanning items and trying to resell them on Amazon, but I didn't like the experience. I don't like shopping. I was going to different stores and I could only find a couple things that I could resell and I wouldn't make that much profit. So I started looking into dropshipping and Amazon FBA, and I chose Amazon FBA. I've been doing it for over a year and a half now, but I've never done dropshipping. But I did learn a lot about dropshipping and I've talked to other people that dropshipped, and I'm going to go over what it is. So dropshipping is where you have a storefront either on Shopify or another website, and then a customer will go to that website, they buy the product, and then that product links to a manufacturer in China from AliExpress, and that supplier will ship out that order once you get a sale on your storefront. There's software that link the two, but the only problem is customers have to wait 1 to 2 weeks to get that actual product. And if you're like me, you don't want to wait a long time to get products. A lot of people are impatient, so that's one of the downfalls with dropshipping. Another negative thing about dropshipping is you have to do a lot of advertising. You have to get influencers, you have to run Facebook and Instagram ads, and you're going to spend a lot of money trying to get customers to go to a website that they've never heard of. If you think about it, when is the last time you went to a website that you've never heard of and actually bought something from that website? I know I have never gone to a random website and purchased anything. I always go to Amazon because I have an Amazon Prime membership. Amazon has all of the products that I need, and it only takes 1 to 2 days to get my products. So those are a few things with dropshipping. You're going to have a random storefront that nobody's ever been to. You're selling random products that will eventually die out, different trends will die out, and then the customers have to wait 1 to 2 weeks to actually get their products. That's why I never went with dropshipping. I went with Amazon FBA because you have to buy the products, where in dropshipping you don't actually have to buy the inventory. With Amazon FBA, you buy the products in bulk and you ship them directly to Amazon's warehouse, and then when you get an order, Amazon handles all of the orders for you. They do the shipping, the customer returns, they pack your products. So that's why I love Amazon FBA, because they do all of the work. Even though you have to buy the inventory, it's still a great business model. And the main thing is there are millions of people on Amazon every day buying products, and I'll put a chart right here, but you can see how much sales come from Amazon US. So all you have to do is run your ads in the Amazon platform, and then once that product is in front of a customer's eyes, they might buy that product if you have a good product and a good listing. Where if you're drop shipping, a customer might not even go to your website because they've never heard of it. Everyone has heard of Amazon, nobody has heard of your website. So that is the main differences. Amazon has a lot better platform for selling, and the shipping is only 1 to 2 days, but the only downfall is you do have to buy the inventory in bulk, and then you do have to pay Amazon storage fees and FBA fees. So some people will say the fees are way too high and it sucks, but then if you think about it, when you're getting sales at home and you don't have to do any of the work, I would rather pay Amazon all of those fees to handle the orders rather than handle all of them myself, having to pack and ship the products, drive them to the UPS store. If I sell 50 units in one day, I couldn't even imagine packing and shipping 50 units. I would have to buy a truck. So that's why Amazon FBA is great, because they store all your inventory. You don't have to have a warehouse. Dropshipping could be good for you if you're really good at marketing or you're a big influencer and you have a lot of followers that might buy the product, but you have to run a lot of ads to get customers to go to your website, where Amazon, millions of people are searching every day. If you look around on YouTube, you'll see a lot of videos saying dropshipping is dead. and that is because dropshipping had a huge boom a few years back, and then it slowly died out because everybody was opening up these Shopify stores, selling random products, and a lot of people like me don't go to random websites to buy products. I just jump on Amazon, buy the product, and I get it fast. So now I hope you understand the difference between dropshipping and Amazon FBA. It's up to you on which business model you want to go with. I prefer Amazon FBA private label. I've been doing it for over a year and a half now, and I love it. Even though there's a lot of fees with Amazon, it still beats having to do all the work. So you could sit back and relax as you get orders on Amazon. You do have to run the advertising, but running ads on Amazon is a lot easier than running Facebook ads trying to get customers go to a website that they've never heard of. All right, so I hope you like this video. If you want to learn more about Amazon FBA, check out my other videos. You could join my Amazon FBA Facebook group. I also have a Discord, and that is it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.